Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you control people on Dress to Impress, the Style Showdown stage. So I'm just going to put on some random stuff here, just because I don't know. I'm just going to put on the silliest outfit ever here. Let's do one from here. Let's do a skirt. Let's do this actually. Then I'm going to use this maybe, and I don't know. Honestly, at this point, I'm just adding some random stuff. Alright, once you added those random stuff, you're just going to go, I believe it's here. Either here or, oh, I think it's here. Okay, it's this corner. Select the feint and then go to hold up. So feint, hold up, and you're just going to jump up here, and then you're just going to jump, whoops, to the Style Showdown stage. And to glitch here, you're just going to select feint again, oops, and do another pose, I guess, and just wait here. If the stage starts with the models, you're just going to stay there. I know it's going to look like you're not there anymore, but I assure you you'll be there anyways. Then you can also do funny poses later, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.